This is the Peter Channel Weather Alert, Blizzard Edition. Good afternoon, everybody. It's 12 noon. I'm Peter Wiggins here, and the snow here has come to an end, but the howling winds will still continue here as it is going to blow and drift the snow that we got here, and wind chill 10 below in Worcester so far, and 0 in Boston. And the wind gusts so far, Rockport at 54 miles per hour. Provincetown, 57 miles per hour. Nantucket, 62 miles per hour. Barnstable at 57 miles per hour. Marston Mills at 50 miles per hour. And Orleans, 55 miles per hour. The top 3 snowiest winners: number 1, 1995-1996, 107.6 inches. Number 93-94, 96.3 inches. At number 2 and number 3, this season at 89.7 inches here. And I'm expecting a low tonight, below 0 readings, and highs tomorrow in the teens here. And look at the power outages here so far. National Grid has got about 811 customers in the dark. And N-Star's got 1,974 customers in the dark here. Provincetown at 1 point says got over 7,000 so far. Down to 0 here. And Dennis has got 1,285 customers in the dark without power out in the Dennis, Massachusetts, out in the Cape. Okay, still total so far 22 out in the Acushnet and New Bedford, 21 in Blue Hills and around Quincy, 20 up in Ipswich, 15 in Gloucester and Boston, 14 in Taunton, 16 in Sharon, 14 inches out in Norwood, 11 in Providence, 10 inches in Worcester, 13 inches up in Fitchburg, 19 inches in Acushnet, 22 in Bedford here. So that's how much snow we got. 13 inches out in Attleboro here, 12 inches around Brockton. All right, let's take a look at our current conditions around the region, around Norton here at 12:02 here. (22 degrees of temperature with overcast skies, humidity of 60%, wind speed northwest about 18, gusting up to 36 miles per hour. Barometer 20.47 inches and dew about 10 degrees, and a visibility 2.5 miles, and a wind chill about 8 above. And the latest radar picture shows some snow showers around the outer Cape and the Islands here. Where's my radar? Thank you. And the radar shows snow around the South Shore and the Cape Downs here, some snow around western Bristol County around southeast Rhode Island, and some snow around Long Island, and snow around the Connecticut River Valentine, 91 down for Chicopee, Springfield, east of Hartford, around Cheshire, and snowing up in upstate New York and around northwestern Vermont, around Burlington, Vermont here. And take a look at the traffic situation here before we move on to the temperatures here. And traffic situation. All the highways are slow going around the region here. So if you want to travel, try to stay home and let the plows do their work. Including that the snow here. Stay home in the comforts of your own home here. And our current conditions around the region here, it is 19 degrees out in Boston, 15 out in Bedford and Fitchburg, 19 in Beverly, 18 in Gloucester, 11 in Worcester, 10 above in Sturbridge. It's 17 out in Milford, 19 in Norwood, 21 in Taunton, 21 in Bedford. It's 21 in Falmouth, 23 Provincetown in Chatham, 25 in Nantucket, 20 in Martha's Vineyard. It's 17 in Blockgon, 17 in Westlake. It is 16 in Smithfield. It's 16 out in Bridgeport and New Haven, 13 in Hartford, Connecticut, 20 in New York City, 18 in Islip, 20 in Montauk, 18 in Lansdowne. It's 11 above in Albany, New York. It's 9 above in Tulare Springs. It's 5 above in North Adams, 6 above in Pittsfield, Massachusetts, 13 above in Greenfield, 10 above in Amherst, 11 in Springfield, Massachusetts, 8 above in Athol, Massachusetts. Here, it is 1 above in Rutland, 3 above in Bennington, 2 above in Bradford, Vermont, 7 above in Lebanon, New Hampshire. It's 9 above in Keene, New Hampshire, 8 in Jefferson, New Hampshire, 12 above in Cornwall, New Hampshire. It's 15 above in Concord, New Hampshire, 14 in Manchester and Nashua, New Hampshire, and 18 out in Portland, Maine. Here. And checking out the wind gusts here so far. Seeing up to 51 miles per hour in Provincetown, 40 out in Falmouth, 37 out in Chatham, 47 out in Martha's Vineyard, 36 out in Taunton, 33 in New Bedford. It is 28 miles per hour out in Norwood, 30 miles per hour in Boston, 47 off the Boston Harbor, 41 out in Bedford, 32 in Beverly, 31 out in Providence, 35 in Springfield, 36 in Worcester, 39 in Carter, 39 out in Nashua, New Hampshire, 39 in Concord, New Hampshire, 41 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and 29 miles per hour out in Portland, Maine. Here, we are still under a blizzard warning in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here, as winter storm will bring blizzard conditions to central and eastern Massachusetts as well as Rhode Island this morning here, which it did. Blizzard warning remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday, and a wind chill warning remains in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, as locations eastern interior Massachusetts and Nassau taps blizzard conditions that include heavy snow, poor visibilities, and strong and damaging winds there. Dangerously low wind chill values there. Snow accumulations about 12 to 18 inches, but localized 18 to 24 inch amounts possible. The time and heavy snow will gradually diminish in intensity later this morning and come to an end by mid-afternoon, and the worst condition with heavy snow and blizzard condition will be this morning. But considerable blowing snow and very strong winds will continue into the evening here. The impacts trouble will come, really impossible and potentially life-threatening this morning due to white-hot conditions and bitterly cold wind chills. Conditions will remain dangerous for travel this evening due to blowing and drifting snow. Reduced visibility and dangerously cold wind chills, power outages can be expected at some locations due to very heavy snow and strong winds there. And it winds northwest about 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusts up to 6 miles per hour. Visibility is 1/4 mile less at times, and wind chill winds as low as 24 below. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds or frequent gusts over 35 miles per hour, expected with a considerable fall in blowing and drifting snow. Travel must be completed by late Saturday afternoon, and those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented and stay indoors. A wind chill warning is issued when the wind chill index is likely to fall to 25 below 0 degrees or colder for at least 3 hours. A wind chill index below 30 below can bring about frostbite as little as 10 minutes. Outdoor exposure should be limited if you're headed out to dress later to keep your hands and head covered to protect against frostbite here. And day 1 this afternoon tonight, blizzard warning and wind chill warning here. And day 2 for Sunday, Monday for Saturday, wind chill warning here. Alright, 7-day forecast goes like this. For this afternoon, snow likely widespread blowing snow before 3 p.m. Then a slight chance of snow between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Then widespread blowing snow after 4 p.m. Cloud skies and gradually becoming mostly sun skies. High around 20 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 7 below. Closely with a northwest wind about 20 to 22 miles per hour. Gusts as 45 miles per hour. As high as 45. Chance of precipitation is 70%. Total daytime snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches possible. Tank, widespread blowing snow before 2 a.m. Then mostly good sky low about 5 below. Wind chill values as low as 19 below. Blustery with a northwest wind about 15-20 miles per gust, high as 44 miles per hour. For Washington's birthday, sun sky about 15 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 22 below. West wind about 11 to 14 miles per gust, high as 28 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly good sky low about 1 below. West wind about 5 to 9 miles per hour, 9 after midnight. And winds good gust high as 20 miles per hour. For Tuesday, slight chance of snow after 11 a.m. Mostly sun skies high about 23 degrees. Calm wind, chance of precipitation 20%. Tuesday night, chance of snow, mostly skies low about 10 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. For Wednesday, chance of snow, mostly skies high about 28, low about 6 degrees. Chance of precipitation 35%. Thursday, most sunny podcast sky high about 20, low about 1 below. Friday, Saturday podcast sky about 17, low about 1 above. And for Saturday, part sun skies high about 27 degrees. and disappear with you. Have a good day with a good day. Then stay safe and see you for afternoon updates and a 5 o'clock news. Have a good day.